Oh my gosh, hi. Your notes for this are already on Schoology, but I thought you might like a video too. Um, so this is for 7-3. Sorry, guys. 3 classes. I gotta figure out which one's which. Your FST. Yes, your FST. So we are, um, the first 2 days we did, some graphing of some polar coordinates, then we did some converting of polar coordinates to rectangular, rectangular to polar, and stuff like that. Today we're actually going to convert equations, which is easier than it sounds, I promise. This is in your notes, but just to kind of call attention, when you were talking polar equation, we're using r and theta instead of x and y. And ultimately what you want to do is you want to have r pirates r equal to something in terms of sine and cosine, or so we got cosecant over here. It's very, very, very simple. If we start with an equation that has an x and a y in it, then all you're really going to do is put r cosine theta in for the x and r sine theta in for the y. So these are the three that we're going to do together. And I am going to start with the first one, and then I might have to stop the video just because it's being weird. I'm going to take the time to erase all this. I don't know why. I just feel the need to. So you might have 3 separate videos. You might have 2 separate videos. We'll see. I'm going to shrink this stuff, though, so I have more room to work. Okay? So, again, our first one is a 3x plus y equals a 7. Okie dokie. The 3 stays. Oops, sorry. The 3 stays. The x becomes r cosine theta, okay, plus ry becomes r sine theta. It's just kind of like substitution. You're just looking for things that you can pull out of the equation and other things you can plug back in. Notice how both of them have an r, so we have to think back to Algebra 1. I know it's tough. Most of you only have 10 more days. You can make it, and you can say, hey, you know what? I can factor out an r. Yay. And then we got a 3 cosine theta for our first term plus sine theta equals a 7. Divide everything by that 3 cosine theta plus sine theta equals 7 divided by, and all that stuff. I'm going to run out of space. Sorry. 3 cosine theta plus sine theta. Totally ran out of space. Sorry. So ultimately, R, I'm going to write it nice and pretty in red. I thought I switched colors. There we go. R equals, because I'm running, you know what? Forget it. I can do this. Boom. See, look at that. I got more space. It equals 7 divided by 3 cosine theta plus sine theta. And that, good children's, is your answer. So I will actually do the x equals 7 one. I love that shrinking. I'll do the x equals 7 one right now, and then I think I'll stop the video and reset it so that we can have more space for that last one. It's a doozy. I'm sorry. It just really is. So x equals 7, literally, you're going to do r cosine theta right there. Equals 7, then divide both sides by cosine theta. Oh my goodness. So our r equals 7 divided by cosine theta. And that's your answer for the second one. Okay, I'm going to stop that one and we'll tackle the x squared plus y squared. Actually, it's not really that bad. No, I don't think it is. Okay, stopping.